Hello, and welcome to Umbra, a database and web service intended to help open source intelligence analysts carry out internet-based background checks and searches for missing people. The purpose of this video is to provide basic information on OSINT, describe the need for Umbra, and detail how Umbra can address OSINT challenges. Before exploring the Umbra system, it is first necessary to understand open source intelligence, or more commonly referred to as OSINT. OSINT is the mining of public data sources to achieve an intelligence goal. The general idea of gathering public information for intelligence has been used for hundreds of years and coincides with the need for information during human conflicts. Modern techniques and applications of OSINT were introduced during World War II when it was used as an intelligence tool by many nation security agencies. With the rapid growth of internet communications and consequently the volume of digital data produced, OSINT gathering has become a necessity for many different organizations as a means of analyzing relevant information. OSINT is different from other forms of intelligence because it is public in nature. This means that all data collected is done so legally and lawfully without breaking any copyright or privacy laws. OSINT analysts find, vet, and organize public data for the purpose of various missions and needs of their respective organization. Some common ways to collect data are through the internet, traditional media such as news, books, and television, specialized journals and professional documents, photos and videos, and geospatial information such as maps and satellites. This data then may be used to locate missing persons, do background checks, ascertain opinions of a population, monitor open source code repositories, or maintain aerial safety. This is an example of an OSINT analysis workflow. As you can see, it could get very complicated at times. Although OSINT has been around a long time, there are still some challenges associated with it. Some of these challenges include managing the flood of information produced by public data sources, establishing the veracity of information found, and documenting and organizing data to enable sensible analysis. That's why Umbra was developed. Umbra was developed and designed to help mitigate these challenges and help aid in OSINT operations, specifically for missing person cases and criminal background checks. Through its system, Umbra can help analysts collect data in a structured way, track similar data from multiple sources as a means of corroboration, annotate and timestamp material, and classify data. All this ultimately leads to more accurate and efficient workflow for OSINT operations. This is what Umbra's workflow looks like. Please watch other videos to learn more about Umbra's operating system and for our user tutorials. We will cover more parts of Umbra in detail. Thank you.